Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So, long time no see. So I just got home from school, so I look a little crazy right now. I just fixed myself, put on a little bit of a deeper eyeshadow and a little bit of a deep lip for our fall 2019 FABFITFUN unboxing. Ignore this piece of hair. I have tried to tuck it behind my ear 100 times. She's gonna do her own thing. And that's just kind of what she's gonna do. So anyway, I don't have a long time to film this. That doesn't matter. Cut to the chase. So this is the box. If you haven't seen it, by the way, I'm sorry that the lighting sucks. I'm in my room, but yeah. So this is the box. I think it's cute. Very fall, obviously. So when you get it, if you haven't already, this is the inside. I'm so good at this. So the person this box was Megan Trainor. And yeah, what all I got to say about that. So I'm probably not gonna go through like this person got this in this box, all members got this, select people got this. Like, you know, if you get the box, like you already know what this looks like. But this total value of this box is between $211 and $345.99. So I kind of want to add up my total just to find out. So basically, we'll start with the first thing that I'm actually wearing. One of the first things I saw is from Bauble Bar, and it's these little earrings right here. They're the ear crawlers from Bauble Bar. They are the Farrah ear crawlers, and they are $34. They're cute. My only thing with them, I don't know if it's just my ears, but I haven't been fighting with them all day, but I kind of was getting annoyed because I feel like they just don't look how they should. Maybe it's just me. I also did them like this today, and they worked fine. So if you maybe have smaller ears like me, and they don't really want to stay like this. I mean, they'll stay, but anyway, I like them, and they work like this or like that. So yeah, they're pretty cute. I am way too close to that frame, dear God. This video is already a hot mess. So anyway, that's that. The next thing that I used today is the Kate Spade lunchbox. It's so cute. It says out to lunch. It's not very big. I thought when we were getting it, when like I looked at it on the website, it looked a lot bigger, but it's not very big. That's the inside. I mean, it worked for my lunch today. I didn't pack a lot, so it worked. But something else, if you're someone that packs like a lot of food for lunch, something else I think you can use it for is makeup. Like if you maybe don't wear a lot of makeup every day, just a couple items, or maybe like traveling and you just take a few things with you, I think this would actually work really well. So I don't know if I'm gonna use it for a lunch again. I think I might just kind of switch and use it for makeup, but either way, it's really cute. And that, my friends, the Kate Spade, was 30 bucks. So that's where we are. I'm actually gonna start kind of adding this on my phone and find a way to cut this part out. So 34 plus 30. All right, cool. So the next thing, and it's kind of funny that I got this because I have one like this. It's like the Turby Twist brand, and it's pink, but it's from the brand After Spa, and literally it's just a hair wrap. Like you get out of the shower, you flip your hair over, you turn it, you pull it back, and there's a little area you can kind of pin it and secure it. That's all it is. The Turby Twist ones are like maybe $10 at the most. This thing is literally $18. That's already plus 18. But I mean, obviously I'm gonna use it. I meant to use it last night or this morning when I was in the shower, but I just kind of forgot. I was in a rush. Anyway, not important. So yeah, just a pink little Turby Twist like thing. So there's that. What else do we got? Okay, now the stuff I haven't really dug into yet these Harper and Airy exfoliating sugar cubes. You guys, I smelled these. They smell so good. They smell just like kiwi. So it says you take a single cube with you in the shower or bath and gently massage over wet skin. Obviously. They smell so good. Like, at least you'll smell like kiwi when you get out. So anyway, there's those. And those bad boys are $16. So plus another 16. Or whatever. Anyway, ignore me. So that, and then the other thing we have is the Human and Kind Skincare with a Conscience Body Souffle, vegan and cruelty free. Maybe. Ooh, mama likey. That smells, that's what I was smelling. Okay, so when I got the box, side story really quick, when I got the box, I opened it and I immediately smelled like a perfumey scent. I'm like, what is in here? Did we get a perfume? And I looked and I saw two different things, but one was a toner and one was like an aromatherapy kind of a roller ball. And it was this. This smells so amazing. It doesn't actually, I guess the scent is cream souffle, but you guys, it smells so good. Oh my god, it smells amazing. So anyway, there's that, this cream souffle situation. And that is $18. So plus $18. And then the next thing we have is from Aveda. If you guys don't know, I go to Aveda in Orlando, and I'm actually there studying astrology. But this is a damage ready daily hair repair. And obviously you just shake well, work a small amount of product into hands, apply through damp hair, and comb to distribute. Do not rinse. And it smells just like an Aveda product would smell. Very plant-based, very natural, very naturally, sustainably sourced. I promise. But yeah, so there's that. So definitely going to be getting some use out of that. I'm biased. That is $30. I can get it for 15. Then the next thing in here, the second to last thing, is this Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. I've heard a lot about Wonder Beauty, and I've heard that it's a pretty good brand. I think it's more of an expensive or higher end brand. But what's funny is I got a box a few months ago, and I got these eye masks from the brand Black, B-L-A-Q, and I haven't used them. So now I just have extra eye masks, and I'm not mad about it. They are individually packaged gold foiled eye masks to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Experience 3 innovative layers of luxury. The gold foil helps retain heat and prevents evaporation, allowing the maximum amount of steam to penetrate the skin, blah, 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 blah. If you guys get it, you can read it. I'm not going through a whole thing. So that is $25. So $25. And then this that I was excited about getting is the Live Mindfully, there we go, Live Mindfully yoga mat from Anthropology. I was so excited about this, you guys, because I work out and I do home workouts sometimes, and I wouldn't really mind getting into yoga. I used to do it when I was little, but that doesn't count. Anyway, but yeah, it would just be nice to have like a yoga mat for like at-home workouts and stuff. I said it's a travel yoga mat, foldable for easy use. And yeah, it says a few things in here, but I don't think I'm gonna really go into detail on everything it says, and I'm not gonna waste time opening it. But yeah, yoga mat, and I'm happy about it. So is it showing here what it looks like? You can kind of see here. I think it's just a basic like blue, and there's like a little bit of a purple tint to it. But yeah, that's that, and that is $50. So $50. So I think that is everything I got on my FABFITFUN. To be quite honest with you guys, this is going to sound absolutely hilarious. I feel like I was gypped. Dare I say it? I feel like I was kind of gypped. I don't know why. I feel like I missed getting one or two things. I don't know what, but anyway, not important. So yeah, I kind of wish I had picked this wallet. The cut from the cloth slim striped wallet. This looks like Sephora stripes. I kind of wish I picked that. I think I only wish that because it looks like Sephora stripes. But anywho, excuse me. So adding all that up, my box in total was $221. I definitely had boxes that are higher than that. Maybe at the most 300, but yeah, again, it ranged anywhere between $211 to $345.99. So $221 is not bad for all this stuff. And again, the box is what, $49.99, and I mean half of this stuff, like, I don't know. For example, like the Bobble Bar earrings. Nope, not even those. I don't know where I'm going with this, but anyway, nothing. I don't think I really got anything that actually kind of hit that $50 mark. But like, oh, the price of this one item is the price of the entire box, but I got 6 more items. You know what I mean? So yeah. Okay, now I'm choking. I have a lot of editing to do. All right. Well, that was pretty much it. There's also something in here, friends send friends FABFITFUN. If you use this coupon code that I will show you, you can redeem it and get your first box. Get started with $15 off your first box. That's a $200+ value for $34.99, and it expires on October 25th. So that is the code. It shouldn't be backwards, but in the event that it is it's lowercase P5-I8YI. I don't know why I just did that, but anyway, that's the code. And it expires 5 days after my birthday. And then, of course, as always, HelloFresh. I'm gonna get on this bandwagon at some point. I don't know when, but I'm going to because I really want to. Anyway, so that's it. I know this video is kind of all over the place and really quick and a little bit rambly, but like I said, I just got home from school and I didn't have a lot of time to film, so I just kind of quickly threw myself together, and that's it. But if you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. Comment what you got in your box. I would like to know like what other people got in their box. This piece is just talking a lot of smack. Anywho, thank you guys for watching. I am gonna say this, but we all know it's probably still not gonna happen. I'm gonna try to post more. I'm gonna try to film at least once a week. It's not gonna be like a lot, but yeah, I'm just gonna try to film something at least once a week. And now that it's fall, I can probably try to film more like fall looks, kind of like what I did today. Because I live for a vampy lip. I live for it. So yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Thank you guys for watching. Please, give it a thumbs up. Comment what you got in your box, or just comment anything. Hopefully nothing negative, but it is what it is. If it is negative, I'm getting off on a tangent now. Please subscribe if you feel compelled. I would really, really appreciate it. I will try to leave my social media down below. I don't know why I said that so loud. Okay, anyway, I'm rambling on now. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!